Hi everyone, Jana here. So I have a new tutorial for you of some new brushes that I have that are called texture playgrounds. It's a fun, kind of a mini dynamic set that has some kind of fun patterns, and I wanted to show you here. So I have here as well a paper for my winter is coming collection, and I want to show you how you could use maybe with papers and things like that. So I love to create brushes because I always, when I create a new brush, I think about how it could be used with other brushes that I have. So I think this could be a great add to your digital art journal. We all, in digital art journal, in art journal, you use stamps and things like that. So this would be like this texture layer that you want to give to your creation. So this is always in mind for me when I create these brushes, so they could be used together in many kinds of ways. So let's start with a fun color here. I always love the teal, so I'm gonna start with that so we can have this very texturized kind of pattern. And I just want to talk about that many of my patterns are, actually all of my patterns are done with my paintings. I draw them, I paint them, and they are, made by hand. So it's with a lot of love and work that I do this for you. Okay, I was not pressuring a lot. So it's good to remind you that I do my brushes with texture, so not texture but pressure sensitive, so they do work better with our Contable, but they for sure can work with a mouse. Also, I tested this in Photoshop Elements 2023, so they work fine. So we have here. Also, if you want to make the patterns slower or bigger, you can always go to the setting mode here, and you go to texture and you put scale, and then you can make them bigger, as you can see there. Okay, so having that, I have this paper here. Let me put underneath, so you can create this kind of patterns here. Or if you have, let's start with a base color, maybe with a gradient. Let's do my magical gradients here. This. So if I have my magical gradients, I can bring this paper here at the top, and let's Option Alt and mask that. And now with my brush in white, I can start bringing a little bit of that paper there, and you can start creating that background. And then you can mix papers and bring all kinds of things here and create your own kind of designs there. Okay, so that again is my texture playground brushes, and I hope you enjoy them. They're really fun to use, and I will see you next time.